1, fire. T plus 5 seconds. T plus 10 seconds. T plus 20 seconds. T plus 30 seconds. T plus 50 seconds. T plus 50 seconds. T plus 60 seconds. T plus 70 seconds. T plus 80 seconds.
Central Support System Operator, enable the deluge, CO2, and quench tool controls.
Enabled.
T plus 90 seconds.
Open the accumulator enable valve.
Accumulators enabled.
T plus 100 seconds.
Activate aft deluge.
Activated.
Whoa.
T plus 110 seconds.
Activate forward deluge.
Activated.
Activate head end CO2.
Activated.
Activate quench tool forward, command forward. Activate aft CO2.
Activated.